Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this 2020 Tesla Model 3. This is a fully electric vehicle, so you do not pay PST on it. And from the side, we've got chrome trim and door handles, as well as color matched mirrors. Moving around to the front, since we have an electric motor and no engine, there's extra storage space up here in what they call your front. And we've got fog lights and a nice large windshield for excellent visibility. Jumping inside, if we check out the door panel, we have this nice minimalist design. And on the left-hand side and right-hand side of the steering wheel, we've got our controls for lots of different features that you can use. For example, your power tilt and telescopic steering and your power mirrors. Up here, we've got our windshield wipers, and over here is our shifter. Now let's check out the center dash. This is where all of the magic happens. We've got a full navigation system, an AM/FM stereo with Bluetooth and Sirius satellite radio. You can also access Android Auto and Apple Carplay as well. If we hit our vehicle button right down there, we have a whole ton of options we can scroll through. You can just adjust everything from your mirrors to your steering wheel, and pretty much everything in between. If we go to our autopilot mode, we've got a bunch of our safety features here. So our speed limit warning, and then going down, we've got our forward collision warning and emergency braking, our lane departure avoidance, pretty much everything else that you could need. If we take a look up, we've got this beautiful glass roof that goes all the way down to the rear window, and this like new black leather interior. In the back, we've got seating for 3 with a pull-down center console, and we've got the glove box and a nice big center console here as well. So let's hop out and check out what the rear of this Tesla has to offer. Moving around to the back, we're going to find our Tesla badging. And to get into the trunk, we are just going to hit the button right under the Tesla logo, and it will lift right up. There is an app that you can hook up to your vehicle with, where you can do all of these things from that app. Inside, we have a surprisingly large amount of storage space, and these seats do fold down 60/40, so you can get some more cargo space as needed while still being able to carry passengers. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2020 Tesla Model 3 with me. If you would like to see it for yourself, come on down to 1624 Carey Road right here in Kelowna. If you have questions, you can give us a call Monday to Saturday, or you can find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details on this Tesla and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.